In 2018, Lifespring did a research on 387 working professionals in Bangladesh who are working in different MNCs, FMCGs, and local companies. We tried to understand the depression level, anxiety level, and stress burnout level in our workplace. And what we found was alarming. Out of 387 participants, 31% suffered from depression, 28% suffered from anxiety, and 38% suffered from stress burnout. So this is an indication how important psychological wellness support programs are in our workplaces. When we look at the global studies, we find that psychological wellness is key for companies' bottom line and employees' productivity. Psychological wellness is not all about mental illness like schizophrenia and bipolar only, but also for productivity and performance enhancement. When we are talking about building a psychosocial work environment, psychological wellness is an absolute deal breaker in that regard. According to WEF, World Economic Forum, if a company decides to invest $1 on their employees' psychological wellness, they at the end of the year they get a return of $4. According to WHO, more than $1 trillion is lost every year in terms of productivity loss due to psychological illnesses. In Bangladesh, the concept of providing comprehensive psychological support at workplace is new, but already the companies that are working with Lifespring are getting the fruit of it. Lifespring by now is working comprehensively with Unilever Bangladesh, British American Tobacco, Magna Group of Industries, Bragg Bank, and Grameenphone. There are many other companies which are also working with us and coming on board, but these are the 5 companies that we are working in major scale. When Lifespring is working with these companies, our focus primarily is on boosting performance and productivity. We want to make sure that no one gets into stress burnout or no one gets out of the company just because of their suffering from depression or anxiety. Our trained psychiatrists and psychotherapists visit them regularly. The clients come to our office, and we also visit our clients' office to make sure that we are accessible and we can connect with them at their workplace. We also provide 24/7 phone service. We provide online counseling services. We also provide meaningful customized group therapy sessions on stress management, on work-life balance, on parenting related issues, on marital related issues, to make sure that the employees feel connected, happy, and they feel that the psychosocial work environment is being implemented, not only discussed. Through a year-long study, we have also seen that psychological wellness programs directly improve the company's bottom line as well. So if you are a company who's thinking about exploring more about the idea of psychological wellness programs in your own workplace, let's discuss.